Transport operators and high-level government officials have been warned significant additional electricity network reinforcements are required to support the delivery of crucial transport projects like Metrolink and electric trains. The warnings highlight how Ireland's energy system is already under strain and mean some projects could be delayed until improvements are made to the country's electricity grid. New documents obtained by the Sunday Independent show how ESB networks officials said this will mean Metrolink would have to rely on limited electricity connections at certain times to avoid winter peak loads. These are times when the energy grid is under the most pressure due to increased demand for electricity. The warning was given to the government's Major Projects Governance Oversight Group last October. The Oversight Group, which is made up of high-level civil servants and advisors, also heard concerns about rail, bus and Lewis services being impacted by energy system issues unless improvements are made. ESB told the Oversight Group that it hopes the delivery of a new high-powered transmission line around Dublin would eventually support demand from the transport sector. Irish Rail is seeking to treble the electrification of DART network services around Dublin. However, the Government Advisory Group was told there is significant risk that electrification of a line north of Dublin could be delayed without investment in energy infrastructure. Electrifying bus depots is also an issue. Dublin Bus aims to transition its fleets to zero-emissions models by 2035. However, this is challenging because each electrified bus depot's electricity demand is comparable to that of Dublin Airport, the Oversight Group was told. Dublin Bus said it has yet to receive assurances that the necessary grid capacity is available to meet the targets set out in the government's Climate Action Plan. Meanwhile, ESB officials told the government's Oversight Group that some Lewis connection points are breaching electricity capacity limits by up to 145% during peak hours. You can read more on this on the Irish Independent.